Hi, I'm Jeff Blauer, president of Shed Rain. I'm here to give you a walkthrough of our best-selling Vortex umbrellas, the original patented windproof umbrella. The company's been around for 80 years. I've been doing this for at least 40 years, but I'm going to tell you this, in all my years here, the biggest complaint about umbrellas is that they invert in windy conditions. And we've spent the last 15 years perfecting umbrellas that don't invert. Today, Vortex actually resists 75 miles an hour of wind. Now, most people probably say to themselves, who is going to be out in 75-mile-an-hour winds? And that's another story. So most umbrellas don't have what we call an anti-inversion strut. An anti-inversion strut is essentially an additional strut that attaches to a stretcher onto the main rib, which actually prevents the umbrella canopy from inverting. The Vortex technology at the mass trade level, which is more budget driven, but still you get that technology. This is an umbrella that retails for $24.99 in some of the best mass trade retail outlets around. I'm gonna show you how to pick out an umbrella in a retail environment. This is the Windproof test. Vortex technology, non-Vortex technology. That's how you tell. You wanna buy a Vortex. This will take you through any windstorm up to 75 miles an hour. This one will not.